Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with a brand new drone. Friends, it is the Bwine F7 Mini. Time to do a review, so let's get cracking. Alright, everybody, so let's first start with what's in the box. Get through that tab and that tab. Comes all sealed up. We have got a disclaimer and safety guides, the quick start guide, and the user manual. And friends, this is the carrying case for the Mini. Oh my gosh, that is tiny. Pouch for storage on the outside. Let's unzip it and take a peek inside. So first, friends, here is the drone. Oh my gosh, this is so tiny. It's like a freaking feather in your hand. I'll set that down. Let's go through the rest of the box first. Right here we've got battery 1 and battery 2. This pouch right here has got a screwdriver, and it's got 2 charging cables. Nice flat charging cables. That's pretty sharp. There's a piece of foam that protects the controller. The controller has got a template to help us learn what the buttons are for. They also mentioned we need to add the Bwine Mini app. Also, for more videos, search Bwine on YouTube. Of course, this will be one of the videos you can find. Real quickly, let's open this up. Alright, so that sticks in there. Right there is your charging cable. This opens up to attach your phones. That's pretty wide, like that. And out here you can record video, take photos, and adjust the gimbal up and down. And we also have a pack of blades in case we need to replace them. Alright, so let's take a look at this amazing little drone. First things first, when you fold it out, let's do the one with the leg first. One with the leg first. You get to look at it from every angle. Notice it can do an SD card up to 128 gigabytes. This is the protective cover. I'll take that off when we get ready to fly. I cannot emphasize enough just how light this is. Alright, friends, let's take a look at the camera. This pops off that easy. And here in the front, friends, we have the camera, and you can see it does have some shock absorption. Friends, I'm going to start charging it up, and soon we'll take it out for that first flight. So I've got them all plugged in and charging. As you can see right now, they are blue and blinking, and the controller is red and blinking. I'll let you know about how long it takes to charge them up as well. Alright, let's zip through this guide. First thing you need to do is add the app and then charge the batteries. Next is how to open it, but I already showed you that. Also how to unfold the transmitter. Of course, select somewhere open for your first flight. It's going to come home greater than 65 feet. On the back of the drone, use short press and then long press. And then we need to do a single power on of the controller. Push up once and you'll get the first D. Pull down on the left stick and you'll get the second D. And when it's successfully paired, that little light will turn green. Connect to the drone's Wi-Fi and do the calibration dance. Press the button to calibrate the gyroscope, and you start the motors with a left stick up. You also take off with a left stick up, and if you stay close, you can do a landing with this landing and takeoff button. If you go a long ways away, you can use the return home. If you're just getting started, friends, you can follow these links to find a lot more videos about your Bwine drone, and of course you'll find this video soon too. Of course, friends, do remember that reading the quick start is no substitute for actually learning all about your drone. There are tons of features in here that you do want to know before you actually start flying. So, quick update. Half hour in, controller is charged, batteries are creeping up on done. Alrighty, friends, so we are ready for our first test flight. It took a little more than an hour for the batteries to charge up. Beautiful day. Let's see what kind of flight we can get. Taking off the protective cover, and let's open this up. Remember, the ones with legs are first. And I just messed that up. And there we have drone ready to fly. Battery slides back in here. The button to connect is the one that is on the bottom. I did also add my SD card. I got a 64 gig in there. As you can see, phone fits in here nice and snug. Power this on. I have added the app, so now we can open it. I'm going to allow while using the app. I do need to connect to the drone's Wi-Fi as I power up the drone. Drone's power button is right back here. There we go. The drone is alive. Let's tilt this down so we can see where we're putting it. Let's connect to the drone's Wi-Fi. There is the Bwine F7 Mini. It is connected. We are back to the Bwine Mini app. We're going to tell it, okay. We're going to switch to control. It gave us a prompt. I am going to confirm it. It just formatted my card. It's got a few basic things it wants me to see, so it tells me how to unfold them, which I already did. I took off the camera cover. Talked to me about the short press and the long press to fire it up. We'll hit next on that. Wi-Fi is connected. I'm going to tell it to no longer remind me. And boom, we are connected. There you can see, friends, it just switched to the compass. Remember, they wanted us to hold it flat. They estimate about 3 turns before it switches. Mine just switched to that mode. Just told me that it's good. Set it down flat. And we're ready for the gyroscope. Calibration on that. And it says all calibration is okay. It is not showing the controller connected, so there's one press. So I had to do the up and the down so that they could be connected. Friends, don't forget underneath here you do have your antenna to push out before you start flying. Alright friends, so here we go. It was up, and there you'd see it starts, and then we want to fly up. We'll get this adjusted so she is in frame. I'm going to switch to video mode. Let's start recording. Let's fly around. Very slight breeze today. Perfect conditions for flying. Alright friends, so she is hovering pretty good. Remember, this button right here is return to home. Let's give it a go. So it goes up several feet. I think it's set about 120, so it's way above our head. And now she is on her way down. She is a tiny bit left of where we started. There you go though. Landed easy peasy. Alright, let's pop it up for another flight now that we've landed once. Still plenty of battery power. You can see we barely even touched it. There's up, and we are flying. Let's bring it right back to us, and let's do that manual landing button right when we get close. Alright, so there we've got it hovering, and this button right here is the manual land. Gotta love it. All right, friends, so I just went in the app. I shut off the beginner mode, and let's pop it up and take some more cool pictures. Almost forgot to hit record. There we go. That, my friends, is West Ottawa High School. You can see the new Performing Arts Center over here. We got the brand new football stadium. Before you get to those, we have the sweet baseball diamonds as well. It is a cloudy Labor Day weekend, but still a great day for a flight. We're at 51 meters. And there we're headed towards High School South. Spin around and come back towards High School North. There's our sweet track and awesome tennis courts. It is a glorious day to fly. See if we can set it so that it's taking a look down. There you can see we're looking straight down. That is us a little bit off to the right corner there. We'll bring it back up. Let's use the bring it home and bring it home. There you can see this time it is right on top of us, bringing it down just like you'd expect. How cool is that? I'm just sitting here controlling the camera. Controller did all the hard work. Oh my gosh, that was a ton of fun, and because it's under 250 grams, you don't have to worry as much about the FAA, which is pretty darn sweet. Friends, if you get a chance, I highly recommend it. Friends, of course, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.